What is up, SFIT? My name is Azim Manatwal. I'm going to be performing in your college on 3rd February. 3rd February, and the reason I'm walking is because your college is in Borivali and I need to leave right now. So, see you. Bye.
Good evening. We have another episode of Body Talks here, and we have the wonderful. we have the wonderful Shruti Valavarkar with us.
Wonderful.
How are you doing today? How are you doing?
Very well.
Yay! Where's the pajamas? I mean, it's supposed to be pajama day in college, but
Yeah, but you know, this is how I get up. That's all that I wear.
this
Jeans.
is how she gets up, guys.
Yeah.
Jeans and a blouse. And... So, what was the best memory from last year? What about last year was probably your most amazing?
See, I told you I'm very boring. Don't ask.
The best thing that happened
Best thing that happened.
with your boyfriend at least.
Why would I share that?
I mean, I don't know. It's like probably a very fun thing to do.
No, I'm not sharing that. Under 18. Yeah, I am.
I know. What's the worst thing that happened to you last year? You probably hated.
The worst thing is happening to me right now because this is going to go and then people are going to see and I'm really bad at it. I don't know
You're
why.
gonna become popular in
No, I don't want
SFIT.
to. I don't want to.
Best thing that happened.
When I joined SFIT, so that was one of the best things that happened to me last year.
This is the first person we've had who's actually been enthusiastic about joining SFIT.
Yeah, it's not the
so-
college that I like, but the people that I've met over here that are.
Oh, that is true. That's true. The people of SFIT really make it worthwhile. So moving on, what is the best thing that happened to you in the past year? Oh, sorry, what's the worst thing that happened to you in the past year?
Worst thing, I joined SFIT last year, so that was also the worst thing. So,
What are the few cartoons or your favorite cartoon from back in the 2000s?
this is the all-time classic Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry, guys, you can't beat Tom and Jerry. It's one of a kind. And yeah, we move on.
Okay. What's the theme of Iris this year? Good job! What is reminisce? Okay, which basically reminisce. Cut that part now.
No.
What was your favorite cartoon from the 2000s? Shinchan. Shinchan. How old were you when you used to watch it?
I was really not even. I started watching it when I was younger. My mother hated it, so I used to watch it. You know the moment she went
moving
to
on.
Blue and I just changed the channel.
Okay, fine. So you like Shinchan. What would you say is your favorite singer?
My favorite singers are basically the ones that look really cute. I like Jessie.
So it has nothing to do with their vocals or their singing talents.
Over the past decade, what has been your most incredible moment that happened?
I guess probably joining SFIT and meeting this incredible group of friends that I call.
How
All of you all. Yeah, this fellow right there, these people.
So incredible. That's an awesome thing, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, SFIT was probably an amazing college, and the people over here is what really makes the college. It's not really
Exactly.
about what happens in college, because you don't even want to talk about this semester.
No
You don't even
semester
want to start going into this semester. But anyways, what's the worst thing that's happened to you last year?
Do we really want to go there?
Let's not talk about that as well. What is your favorite cartoon character? Like reminiscing into the past over here with all these different movies and TV shows and cartoons. What's your favorite cartoon character and why?
I had lots of favorite cartoon characters, being Addams Family. Then we had the Jetsons. Then we had Tom and Jerry. We had Scooby-Doo. We had Papa
Don't
Girl.
make me cry now. I missed
It's
all
like
of those.
everything. Johnny Bravo. for
Johnny
example.
Bravo.
What would you say was your favorite cartoon in the 2000s? I mean, back when you were like little babies and stuff.
Tom and Jerry, yeah.
Tom and Jerry. Okay. And what would you say is your favorite
Vishal.
singer?
My favorite cartoon.
Nauseous right now. So nauseous. Okay, but who would you say is your favorite singer from the 2000s?
Actually, I didn't follow music at that time.
You didn't follow music.
Yeah, he was deaf at that time.
What would you guys say about the hype of Iris? Are you feeling it? The hype?
No.
No,
Why?
really no. I don't
Because
know.
I can't see many people in pajamas today. And that's including you.
These are sweats.
Just zoom in on over there. Yeah, just zoom in over there.
Not many people in pajamas. Okay.
Why aren't you in a pajama? Okay, that is a pajama. Okay.
That's
not a pajama.
That's not a
That's
pajama.
not a pajama.
What's your favorite memory that you've had in the past year? What are the most
School days.
School days, right? Back in the day. Yeah, sure. And what's the worst thing that's happened to you in the past?
Nothing as such.
She's had a beautiful, privileged life. As a sheltered little girl over in where do you live? Where do you live? Kandali, and she's here in SFID about this. So yeah, moving on. One of the things that makes me that I remember the most about reminiscing and thinking about the good old days are the cartoons that I've watched, and all the movies and music and everything. So what are your favorite cartoons? Or your favorite cartoon that you
Too
watch?
many to name. It can be like Tom and Jerry or Shin-chan or it won't like end. Too many Doraemon.
All right, wonderful. What's your favorite thing about, say, Tom and Jerry?
It's like they can't stay with each other. They can't stay without each other.
Aww, that's the moral of the story here. You can't live with him, can't live without him.
Oh no!